Hey guys, it's your boy Matt. So I was just filming the video for the part 2 of the AIY voice kit. I know I talked about that a few days ago on the stream, also tonight on the stream as well as I did too. But with a little bit of further investigation, I don't know what's happening, but my specific kit, what do you want to call it? This is not powering on correctly. And with that, it's not letting me able to pair it. So with that, I am going to hopefully be able to contact Google or contact Target for me to return and get another one and rebuild it. But this time I will wear an anti-static wrist strap to make sure that nothing would happen to that. But looks like the actual voice bonnet system just, I don't know, it just doesn't work. And again, I'll do a little bit more testing before I buy another one, but as of right now, this is going to be the update video on it. Either I have a bad kit, which is extremely possible. I could have a bad kit. And if that does happen, then that's fine. Because you know what? Those things happen in the industry where motherboards and CPUs will come DOA. And that's okay. That is supposed to happen because there will be a few duds for every one that is fully successful. But along the other side of that, though, that means you guys aren't going to be getting any more AIY content until I'm able to actually get another board. So give me a few weeks. I will try to see what I can do, and until then, hopefully this update video does well for you guys. So again, sorry about having to do this as like a weird thing, but I want to make sure that you guys knew what's happening, why you guys haven't seen the part 2 of it yet. And I've been working with this for a few days, and it's still not working. So hopefully the setup wasn't destroyed somehow. I don't think it was, but it's very possible. So anyways, that's it, guys. Don't worry about leaving a like and stuff on this video. I mean, if you want to, amazing, thank you. But that's all I gotta say, guys. So thank you. I'll see you guys soon.